Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're going to be checking out this cool little fidget cube that was sent to us by SHASHIBO for free for us to review. Now, when you get it, it's going to be in this little box right here along with the instructions. I already have them pulled out. As you can see, this is a fun in motion toy, which means you can download that app and it will show you all types of different ways that you can play with this little cube right here. So what you need to do in order to get this is you get it opened up, which whenever it's all folded like this, it is nice and tight. This is not made of paper. It's like a harder plastic type material, but then boom, once you get it opened up, you can do all types of cool little things like this. My kids have had tons of fun playing with this, which is why the instructions were out already. We actually had the whole cube out and they were playing with it. They are teenagers, so like I said, they really enjoy it. If you have kids around that age, I'm expecting that they're going to enjoy it a lot as well. You can make 70 different shapes with this thing. Over 70 different shapes is what it says. And then they do have a few other cubes available. This one right here is called the Wild Arctic. And then they do have a Wild Forest, Wild Jungle, as well as a Wild, what's this last one right here? A Wild Savannah, I believe is what that one's supposed to be right there. Yep, that's the Wild Savannah is the other one that they have right there. But yeah, overall, really cool little thing right here. Like I said, over 70 different things. And then you get the app. I'll show you guys the app here really quick. Let me get it pulled up on my phone. Right here it is. This is the SHASHIBO app. They have demonstrations so that you can see how to do all types of different little things on here. Level 2, so a little bit harder. Level 1 right here. As you can see, tons of different little videos on there. Battle shapes, so right there you go. A whole bunch of cool little different battle shapes that you can do. So I guess you can like battle these against each other. So really cool. Maybe pick up 2 of them. Yeah, look at all these. Like I said, there are tons and tons of things that you can do with this little thing. Whether you yourself as an adult or your children would like to have one of these, I think it's super great. You could sit here and play with this thing forever and probably not be able to figure out all 70 different shapes without looking at the instructions at least. Look at that, kind of looks like a little flower or something right there. So if you're interested in, you know, wasting some time with a new little fidget type device, go ahead and check this one out. Like I said, it is from SHASHIBO.